Alright guys, welcome back. So let's look at the last week in our calendar, and we're looking at Tuesday. So we're going to explore Math Chapter 2, how many cookies are in the cookie jar, and a trip to the mall. So page 33 to 34. So let's see. Right here it says we're working on how many cookies are in the cookie jar and a trip to the mall. So right here, where is it? Right here. It says Miss Thompson baked cookies for her children's school lunch. Solve to find out how many cookies are left to put in the cookie jar. So right here you have Miss Thompson baked 12 cookies, 12 chocolate chip cookies, but she puts 2 cookies in Manny's lunch. So she put 2 cookies in each twin's lunch. How many cookies were left to put in the cookie jar? So she put 2 in Manny's lunch, and then she put 2 cookies in each of the twins' lunch. How many do you have in the cookie jar? How many do you have left? So you are going to subtract. What are you going to subtract? So you're going to get the total of the cookies, and then you're going to subtract however many cookies she used to put in the lunch. Now, it says directions. Use the prices on the page to solve the problem on the next page. So right here you have CDs for $6. You have shorts for $8. You have dresses for $7. You have tees for $5. You have backpacks for $10. Caps for $3. So it says here, X out the money you spent. Circle how much money you have left. So if you bought, you have, how much money do you have here? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And right here it looks like they bought a CD. So what do you have left? So if you bought a CD, let's see, how much was the CD? The CD is $6, but you have $9. You have $9, and the CD cost $6. So what do you have left? If you bought a CD for $6, how much money do you have left? Circle your answer and X out the money you spent. Once you are done, take a picture, and you can submit it for a grade.